Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Master of UDM. UDM stands for Ultimate Driving Machine, if you know what I mean. Anyway, for those who are new, my name is TR and today I'm going to share with you two things. One is to upgrade the DME or the ECU for this BMW F82 M4 into a stage 2 tune. I'll be using the Bootmod3 Flash tune through the OBD2 connector. Second is I'm going to share with you my new color of the car. So basically I crashed the car 6 months ago. And yeah, unfortunately it took them 6 months to fix the car. It's not a big crash, it's a tiny crash, but everything has to be ordered from Munich, Germany, the BMW M factory, including the paint. So that's the exciting part. So the paint that I got for this car is the Isle of Man green. Yep, you heard me right, the Isle of Man green. So I have it on my BMW F82 M4 and I believe that it's going to be the first one in the internet, in Malaysia, and most probably in the world. So before I share with you, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the tools required for this exercise would be this. This is an Ethernet cable, OBD to Lightning, and then you need a phone, and of course the Bootmod3 app. You can download this from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, right? So let's go. Okay, so first locate the OBD port, which is here, and then plug in the connector. Okay. So guys, before you start, make sure that it is not in Apple CarPlay mode if you have one. So go to Media, and then go to Manage Mobile Devices, and then just go to the normal BMW iDrive, so that it will not kick out of to the Apple CarPlay when you are doing the update. Okay, switch on your car and put it in the accessory mode. Okay. Now, normally we have to connect a battery charger, but I've been driving this car for a while, so it has enough juice for the whole process. So connect the lightning cable to your car, like so. So now it's connected. Go to menu, go to My Maps, go to this one, Multi-Map Stage 2. Just want to check on the config for all. Startup raw, cold start, I want to switch it back on, OEM. Okay. Save changes. Okay. Go back here and get ready and click on the flash. Press here to flash now and flash. So it's making all these noises during the process. Rest assured, it's just part of the process. Success, guys. Wonderful. So it says Multimap Stage 2 flash successfully. Please turn ignition off, wait 5 seconds and start the car. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then start the car. Using the steering wheel, so we need to press and hold the resume button for 3 seconds here. Look here. Press this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we can change. Look at the RPM. So that's map 3, map 4, map 1. So I'm using map 3, 93 octane. So I'll go to 3. There you go. So now I'm on map 3, 93 octane. So I can just use this control steering wheel buttons to change my map. Successfully flashed my BMW F82 M4 with the Multimap Stage 2 from Bootmod3. So thank you for watching and
don't forget to like and subscribe.